Hi everybody, I'm Chef Cheryl and welcome to this episode of Kitchen ABCs. We want to thank Runza for supporting our program. I am so excited because this weekend is Marvel versus DC at the Children's Museum. You're going to see your favorite superheroes. I want to watch some superhero movies. So I thought we would make popcorn. You know, the popcorn looks like this before it's popped. How do we get it from here to here? Well, there's science behind that. I'm going to use my air popper. There is moisture inside each seed. And when it gets really hot, that water vapor expands and pushes out so far that it bursts the whole seed. We just burst those seeds and made our popcorn. You don't have your own popcorn popper, you can put it in a paper bag. Look at that. I was thinking, I wanted something that would go with some different superheroes, so I was using my imagination. Think about some superheroes. So I had chocolate chips. Another name for Batman is the Dark Knight. So you could make dark chocolate ones. Put some coconut. I was thinking about the Hulk, okay? What color is the Hulk when he gets mad? Green, right. So I had some greens. I have some basil here. If you have parsley or spinach, and I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to it. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave just to heat it up. Maybe I'll also add some Parmesan to it. This is more of a savory flavor. Add some Parmesan. There is our Hulk popcorn. There's a superhero named Bumblebee. And what do bumblebees make? They make honey. Putting a little bit of butter, maybe a tablespoon, and maybe about a tablespoon of honey, a little bit of vanilla. This one's gonna be sweet. I'll put that in the microwave too. And I'm gonna put some of that over my next one. It'll be kind of like caramel corn, only not as sticky. There's our Bumblebee popcorn. If you're making it like a trail mix, you can put it in a little bag. Maybe the colors are kind of like a superhero. I have blueberries here. What are some superheroes that wear blue? Do you see any over there? Superman? And they have red too. You could use craisins, like dried raisins, cranberries. Maybe I want some nuts. Now, are there any really nutty characters? Like Star-Lord, he's one of my favorites. You can think of Green Lantern. You can put some coconut in there. Butterscotch chips. I don't know any characters that would be kind of orange, but this would taste delicious with it. You can come up with your own ideas. You can even use sprinkles. You think about Hawkeye is purple. Maybe you have pretzels or Cheez-Its you want to add. Lots of things you can do to make your own popcorn. Do you know you can make up your own superhero? I think I would like to have a superhero that's a cat. Because cats have super great hearing. They can see really well in the dark. But I want to be able to fly too and see things really, really well. I'll be right back. I know just the plan. Yay! Hi! I am that kitty! I have ears that I can hear really well with. I can fly! And I can see things that most people think are invisible. In fact, I'm gonna show you. I can see a whole bunch of orbs of some kind in here. Can you see them? You can't. I know the science of this. Look at that. I saw those orbs in there with my super sight. I hope you had fun making our superhero popcorn, and we'll see you next time. If you like this video, push the like, subscribe, so that you can see all the fun we're having here at the museum. Bye!